Guys, how you going? Welcome back. As promised, battery test, Eachine E511S. This is the 1080p. It's going to double up as a bit of wind test because it's a bit windy here. I've just done some calibrating and yeah, let's see how long this battery lasts for. Link in the description, guys, if you want to purchase this drone. It's got the adjustable 1080 camera on the front there, so it's pretty cool. We're going to have to test that out, and yeah, let's just get up in the air and see how some aerial shots go. Excellent. If you're new to my channel, smash that bell, hit that like button. Plenty more Eachine E511 videos to come, and great stuff. Thanks, Banggood. Let's go up in the sky. As I said, the calibrating's been done. Let's just adjust that camera up a bit. So you can just do that on the fly, which is way cool. Standard remote controller here. These antennas don't do anything. I'm going to see how the recording goes to the SD card. Hopefully it's going to work a treat. So I'll hit record there. It appears to be recording. Let's go. Up in the sky, the Eachine E511. Alright. Let's see, I've done the calibrating with the compass, so let's just see how it goes for that steady shot to start with. Let's get it up here. Yeah, that's not looking too bad. Alright, see if she'll hold there. Looks like it's holding there pretty well. That's nice. As well as a battery test, stopwatch is going on the screen there. We'll also see how high this baby goes in the wind, which I always enjoy doing. So on the screen there, altitude 1.3 meters, so 83% battery. Standard app, guys, to use. So if you use these types of drones before, these apps are all pretty much the same. So I shall 720p that. Yep, okay. I'm hoping it's recording. Let's go take up the sky and find out. Oh yeah, it's windy up there, guys, so maybe I won't do a height test just this minute. Okay, let's just go forward a bit. Oh yeah, look at that wind. Okay, let's have a look, see how it steadies itself. Oh yeah, it's struggling in that wind, isn't it? Not doing too bad a job though, considering. Yeah, it's not a DJI Mavic, but it's certainly not the price of one either. Let's get some speeds going here. 2 for medium and 3 for nice and nippy. So let's just cruise forward over here and see what happens. Oh yeah, it really doesn't like that wind, guys, does it? Okay. In the interest of not destroying my drone just yet, I might just bring it down a bit out of the wind. Unfortunately, I can't control the weather in Australia. Bit of a bummer. Let's just bring it down a bit. Certainly likes that a bit more. Okay. Certainly looks nice and steady anyway. So this adjustable camera here, so you simply press the... Let's get rid of that on the screen there. Not too sure why that's come up. You just hit the down and it goes down. You can actually push it in increments. So that's a really cool feature to be able to do on the fly. As I said, this is a 1080p camera, so let's adjust it up there. Let's just go for a bit of a fly around, I think. I really want to get this out early, but I just haven't had the weather to do it. It's a bit of a bummer. If the wind dies down, I will take it up a bit higher. However, I'm really not interested in losing this one just yet. We're about 3 minutes in. Looking pretty good. The wind started a little bit. Okay. Let's see, we can go up a little bit and see what happens. I'll just put it over here in case we lose control. Alright. Up you go, 511. There's a tiny break in the weather. And I just took a photo then. Okay, what are we sitting on, guys? 45 meters, and it's a long way up, and I wouldn't like to be up there at the moment. Okay, oh, it's windy, look at that. Oh dear, no, I'm coming down, guys. It's not going to like that at all. One little bit, so let's bring it down. There's a big gust of wind. Oh dear. Come on, fight it, Eachine, fight it. Okay. Gee, it's a good performer considering this wind. I wouldn't even take a Mavic out in this wind, and have a look at it. What a beauty. Oh, crikey, it's jumping around. There you go, guys. If you want to fly this in torrential wind conditions, it's actually possible. That's pretty cool. Goodness me. Okay, let's go over here where we can get away from the wind a bit. Yeah, unfortunately I cannot control the weather. Yeah, so it looks like a pretty decent unit, guys. I'm pretty happy with this. It's a nice little flyer. Again, not very good weather at the moment, but I really want to get this bird in the sky. I won't even bother doing some waypoint testing or follow me testing, not in this weather. It's no good. So we'll just limit this test to a battery longevity test and a bit of a camera footage test. Yeah, I'm quite liking this drone, guys. Check it out, it's a link down below, banggood.com. Grab that coupon code, which is on special till the end of the month. Get yourself about 30 bucks US off, which is pretty cool. Doesn't happen every day. I really want to go up in the sky, but those clouds don't look too good. Oh, look at it go. I think I might just sit there for a while. So 6 minutes on the record. I am hoping it's recording. As I said, the 528 Eachine I've got goes a bit dodgy sometimes, the record, but I don't know if you can hear that with the my Osmo I'm recording with, but it's really windy here. It's so shocking. How the hell would you bring a drone out in this weather? Oh, I can hardly bring it forward. This is a true wind test, guys. Look at it go. Even looks like it's in the water. Okay, let's go over here, shall we? Let's try and find somewhere a bit nicer to fly. I'm heading over to the west shortly, so I should have some nice clear skies over there to fly. So stay tuned for those videos coming up pretty soon. I don't think it's any calmer over here either. Okay, and it's really not liking that, is it? Don't crash! Don't crash! Sorry, that nearly did crash. It's really windy here, folks. Okay. Okay, Eachine, let's go back up here. Alright, alright. Off we go. I have set on number 3, which is why it's a bit jittery. I might just tone that down to number 2. See if we get a bit more smoother footage going. Controls of this thing? Yeah, it's pretty decent. See, the wind's blowing it around. However, it is remaining quite calm, and it is remaining where it's meant to. Well, you can see the computer cutting in when there's a bit of a gust of wind. Considering the weather, guys, I'm pretty impressed with this. I'm very, very impressed with it, in fact. Yeah, we've got about 8 minutes on the clock now, so see if I can take some happy snaps. That was a photograph. Okay, so there's a photograph. Spin around, and there's a photograph. Looks like you can take photos whilst recording. I'm on 30%, so if you've seen any of my last videos, you'll know that what this drone does when it runs low on power is it just returns back home again. So what I'm going to do is have one last fling in the sky. Oh, geez, windy up there. One last fling, try and get up to about 50 meters, then I suspect the low battery alarm is going to go off. I'm on 23% now. Oh, there we go. Okay, so low battery, and as you can see, it's returning home. I'm hoping it's not going to go back to China, and China's that way, so we should be right. Should go to where it started and just about land, I'm hoping. Okay, that's pretty much where it started, so let's see what it does. Is it coming down? 28. Yeah, it's coming down by itself too, so let's have a look and see how close it gets to home. Considering the wind, I'll be surprised if it... Oh, it's going to get close to those trees. I'm not actually haven't touched anything yet, so I think it hovers around the 20 meters, then it just stops. So again, I haven't touched anything. It's sitting around 21 meters, guys, so that's pretty cool. So from here, she'll spin it around and I'll bring it down. I'll keep flying until the battery just about completely dies, in which case it lands itself, and then we'll stop the clock. Ah, welcome back, Eachine. So that's pretty cool, guys. Eachine E511. Yeah, I'm impressed. Yeah, smile for the thumbnail. Beauty. It's a nice looking drone. It looks a lot like the Mavic. 21%. Screen still says it's recording, so who knows. We'll just keep flying until it lands itself, as a result of having no electricity left in the battery. %. What a beauty. I'm liking this thing. We're still going, 20%. The alarm's been going off for a couple of minutes. You'll be able to see that camera there. I'll just adjust that camera at the front there up and down for you guys, and you'll be able to see it. You'll be able to see it moving up and down. Oh, hang on. No, it's taken over. Right, low battery. I think what it's doing now is landing itself. It seemed to have lost control, and I would suggest it's actually landing. So let's hit that land button and stop the clock. And stop the clock. Yes. A bit of an agricultural landing there, but that's pretty good. Okay, I'm impressed, folks. I hope the footage has turned out pretty well. I'll just stop that footage from rolling. We'll check the SD card, make sure there's some good footage there. Again, yeah, it's a bit windy, so it was a bit of a jump around test today, guys, so I apologise for that. Hopefully the next one it won't quite be so chaotic. However, battery test done, wind test done, both big ticks. Awesome stuff. Thanks for dropping in. Eachine E511S. This thing's a ripper. Have some fun with this. SkyPilot. See you in the sky. Bye for now.